Proving God Exists, Part 2. Imagine you step outside and you see a bunch of dominoes falling. Now, no matter how long the trail is, even if you can't see the first piece, you know that there was something or someone that pushed the first piece to trigger the reaction, right? That's a given. Now, this universe that we live in can be likened to this domino trail in that everything that exists in the universe depends on something before it to exist. For example, I depend on water, meaning water would be the domino piece before me. Water depends on Earth, let's say. The Earth depends on the sun depends on the galaxy, and so on. But the question is, can we keep going back forever? The answer is no, impossible. Because if the domino trail went back forever, that means there would be no start, meaning there would be nothing to push the first piece, meaning the dominoes wouldn't be falling. But since the dominoes are falling, this means there was something there at the beginning to push the first piece, and this thing now has properties. The first property is that it must be independent by nature, because if it depends on something, you've placed another domino piece before it, and the cycle repeats. The second property is that this thing must be unlimited by nature. It has no beginning by nature, eternal by nature, because if it has a beginning, then what pushed the first domino piece? Meaning the dominoes wouldn't be falling, but since they're falling, it must be unlimited. The third property is that it must be intelligent, because this universe is incredibly complex, meaning this domino trail is very, very complex. Who laid it out? Who planned it? Who pushed the first piece, made the decision to push the first piece after planning it out? So, therefore, we arrive at the conclusion that all these properties are properties of God, and that the universe must have been created by an intelligent, uncreated, uncaused creator. Peace out.